Hi everyone. In this video, we'll take a look at 5 ways you can use ChatGPT for your work. Number 1, writing a LinkedIn bio. With ChatGPT, you can give it a prompt such as this. And of course, you can mix it up based on your expertise and your specializations. And you can give it a prompt like this and get it to write a LinkedIn bio for you. Now you can, by default, it gives you quite a lengthy, wordy bio, but you can ask it to even shorten it out for you, make it very concise. Number 2 is writing a job advertisement. Now with ChatGPT, again, you can give it a prompt that describes what type of profile you're looking to advertise and what the requirements are in as much as detail as possible. And you can give it a lot of required points and also optional points so that ChatGPT knows how to construct the final job advertisement for you. So for this prompt that I have as an example, ChatGPT returns me this results. Now you can obviously experiment it as much as you can, and per your requirements. And also you'll have to replace certain placeholder values like the email address or like the brand name of your company, like the deadline of your job advertisement, so on and so forth. Now, speaking of job advertisements, the third use case is to write a cold email to a recruiter. So you can write something like this. So let's say you have searched for some job advertisements out there. You can write an email to the recruiter and put in some prompts, and that will give you a draft email that you can use to has a starting point to then complete that cold email to the recruiter that goes in. And so this is really useful if you are not sure how to start writing the email and you're not a very good wordsmith, and that is and you want to appear professional as well in these use cases. So this is a nice example because it gives you a draft email to work on, and then you can either keep it as it is, or then at least you have something to work on and you can update it as per your requirements. Now, the fourth use case of using ChatGPT at work or in a professional environment is writing endorsements for your colleagues. So you might have had the case where someone has asked you to write an endorsement, either a LinkedIn endorsement or an internal endorsement that you might want to draft accurately and professionally. And in that case, what you can do is you can just write your thoughts in the prompt and let ChatGPT do the magic. So hit enter and it will give you a draft of a nice endorsement for the prompt that you mentioned. Of course, there's all placeholders in this one, which you would need to replace it with the actual person's name. But you have this as a starting point, and then you can tweak it as well, because you can either write a follow-up prompt or you can just ask ChatGPT to regenerate the endorsement, and ChatGPT rewords this endorsement for you and gives you version number 2. And you can try out which one works better before finalizing the actual endorsement that you're going to send it to your friend or colleague. Another final one, the fifth use case for using ChatGPT is if you need to make a product or a feature announcement internally or externally, and you want to appear professional, you want to make sure you got your points covered, and you want the message to flow very well. So I can give it a prompt like this. It is just a sample prompt which talks about a feature that has been released. And now if I hit enter, what will happen is ChatGPT will word this whole idea into a nice little prompt, which I can then just copy paste into any other platform that I have. Now in this use case, I have particularly asked it to write a Slack post, which is why it's slightly casual. It is slightly there's a lot of use of emojis, but of course, if you want to make it more professional, you can ask ChatGPT to make the same message sound more professional. And then ChatGPT takes its same gist, the same aspects of what you originally wrote, and then it makes it sound a lot more professional to the readers of your message. Now, what hasn't when you keep exploring ChatGPT, you'll notice that there's a lot of tabs that might be open for every new thread or every new chat that you start. So you can either go and delete each and every chat individually, or you can click these three buttons and then go into the settings to then clear all chats. All right, that's it for this video. We looked at 5 ways you can use ChatGPT for your work or business or professional requirements. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this video and if you've used ChatGPT in one of the following ways. And of course, do give this video a thumbs up. Do share this video with your network, and do subscribe to this YouTube channel because that helps a lot. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.